Drums Ultimate Explosion. We just got the bonus. Birdie's never seen the bonus. I'm gonna let her pick whichever one she wants. Mystery pick. All right, here we go. Oh boy. Okay, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. Now we need some spins here. 10 or 15 spins would be great. 5. Okay, let's see what we can do. Here we go. We get re-triggered here. And close the pot. Nothing happened there. Okay, that's decent. 81. Well, some food dogs come all the way across. Oh, ships. No. Oh boy. Last spin. Oh, thought it was gonna be. Nah, we needed another one. 97.80.